Academy Stars Year 6, Unit 1, It's an Emergency. Lesson 4, Language in Use, page 12. Lesson objective, ask and answer questions about interrupted past activities. Grammar, interrupted past question form, past simple, while plus past continuous plus when plus simple. Vocabulary, alarm, emergency, experiment, fire drill, fire engine, smoke. Warm up. What were you doing yesterday at 8 p.m.? I was cooking. Is that correct? No, I was watching television. So you can act it out with your friends to guess what you were doing. Okay? So based on what you imagine, and then you write it there. Vocabulary, dictionary. Word alarm, a sound that lets you know there is danger. Example, we left the building when we heard the fire alarm. Emergency, noun, a serious and often dangerous event that needs immediate action. Call me on this number if there's an emergency. Experiment, noun, an investigation to test or discover something. We did an experiment to see how plants grow in different places. Fire drill, noun, an activity to practice leaving a place quickly so that people know what to do if there is a fire. There was a fire drill at our school today to practice for when there's a real fire. Fire engine, a large vehicle that carries firefighters and their equipment. They needed 3 fire engines to put out the fire. Smoke, a noun, a cloud of gases that rises from something that's burning. We could see smoke coming out of the car engine.
This is exciting. I like fire drills.
Me too.
Why are you wearing goggles? What were you doing when the alarm rang?
It rang while I was doing a science experiment.
Oh, I see.
Why are you wearing that old shirt?
It rang while I was painting in art class.
Look, there's a fire engine.
And there's smoke above your classroom.
Oh no, smoke and a fire engine?
This is a real emergency.
Language in use. Past continuous plus when plus past simple, or past simple plus while plus past continuous. What are past simple? Heard, played, past tense. Past continuous was doing, were, playing, okay, the ing form. Complete the text with when or while. There was a real emergency at school today. The fire alarm rang while I was doing a science experiment. Joe was painting when he heard it. Mr. Carter took all our names while we were standing outside. Suddenly, some students ran out of the building. They were rehearsing for a concert when the alarm rang and they didn't hear it. A boy fell over while he was running out of the building, but he wasn't hurt. Then, a fire engine arrived. 3 firefighters ran inside while we were waiting in the playground, and then we saw the smoke. Match the actions and the activities. Then make a new dialogue. Wear tracksuit, do gymnastics. For example, why are you wearing a tracksuit? What were you doing when the alarm rang? It rang while I was doing gymnastics. Carry a guitar, have music lesson. Why are you carrying a guitar? What were you doing when the alarm rang? It rang while I was having a music lesson. Carry a bucket, clean the kitchen. Why are you carrying a bucket? What were you doing when the alarm rang? It rang while I was cleaning the kitchen. Wear headphones, listen to music. Why are you wearing headphones? What were you doing when the alarm rang? It rang while I was listening to music. Hold a knife and fork, have lunch. Why are you holding a knife and fork? What were you doing when the alarm rang? It rang while I was having lunch. Cooler, answer my questions. What were you doing when your teacher walked into the classroom? What were you wearing when you went out yesterday? What was your friend doing when you texted him or her? Discuss with your friends. Thanks for watching. Do click like and subscribe for more videos.